Welcome back. In the last session, we have successfully created the Todo repository and we were able to see some endpoint like Todo with pagination. Currently, we can see here default pagination and page size, and these are the default feature is available. But still, we cannot see all the point like Swagger. So we are going to in this video we are going to do another step, that is configure Swagger and seeing all the endpoints. Okay, we will not try from Postman, just we will see because these will work fine. Okay, so how to set up this Swagger first? So here we can go to this springdoc.org application. So this is Open API, Spring Doc Open API version 2.10. Okay, and here they have provided the dependency for Spring Boot 3, and previous version dependency I think we have to go here for Spring Boot 2 and 1. So we are using Spring Boot 3, so this dependency is enough. Let's copy, or else you can copy from here also. Copy and update in our pom.xml. Refresh Maven dependency. Okay, so all operations are completed, dependency is downloaded. Now rerun our application. We need not to do any extra configuration. By default we can see all the endpoints of the Swagger. Okay, so application is started now, and to see the endpoint we need to go to localhost 8080 swagger UI index.html. Yeah, so we can see default profile controller, and from the to-do repository these many endpoints are available by default. So but if you will see in this to-do call, let me try this get call here, try it out. Okay, so these are the query param, it is not mandatory, so we can run and we can see to-dos are coming currently with empty array. But you can also see by default API is having pagination feature. So currently default size is 60, so default size is 20. We cannot get, if we need all the record we cannot get. So in the next video we are going to add one extra method, that is find all method, so that we can fetch all the record without pagination.